All right. What's shaking, YouTube people? What's shaking, Discord people? East Wayne with Chris here, doing this standing up because I didn't want to clear a space. I'm in the midst of stuff in this room. I got stuff going on. I got 2 pieces of Rick on. I got me on the Gimp hoodie, and of course I got the Molino jacket. Let's add some Rick. What can we add? Oh, I know what we can add. We can add this here that I copped from Bahneys. Copped it on sale. There's a little bit of a backstory here. When I bought my prisoner sweatpants, I almost bought these, and then I backed out at the last moment. Mostly because I wasn't 110% on dropping that much. And that's good because I just bought them for like 70% off. And I would have paid a shitload of money for these. These are moleskin Drkshdw pants. They're large, so I'm not sure if they're going to fit. Because Drkshdw, though the only thing I ever returned that I bought from the Rick store, and you know I've fucked up sizing numerous times, has been in fact Drkshdw pants that were large. Oh, you know what though? These look fine. These look totally fine. And look at this. It's almost like a purpley. I think this is a purple thing. It's like we got a little raisin purple. But anyway, ain't nobody wanna see me take my pants off on camera, so I'm just gonna scooch over to the side. I'll pop these on, and probably gonna rick up a little more with the shirt. I think I'm finna hit the mall. At least hit the mall. Might go elsewhere. Got these Golden Goose sneakers. These Golden Goose sneakers have some kind of weird, like, burnt chemical smell. They still have it a little bit. I left them out for a couple of weeks. All right, so what I need to do is I need to put on these Rick pants. I need to put on a proper Rick shirt. So that's, let's get to that. Let's make sure there's no, these are nice. These are wicked, yeah, and these are definitely like a purple thing going on here. I was hoping that Pumpkin was going to come up and hang out with me so that I could dress her up. Oh, there's the safety pin. I was hoping that Pumpkin was going to come and hang out with me so that I was going to dress her up in Rick, but she was asleep and I didn't want to wake her up and annoy her. Although I should have actually, because she woke me up 45 minutes ahead of my alarm, which she doesn't usually do. I don't know what led her to. I don't know what led her to do that. Now I'm still not 100% that these are gonna fit. So this might suck, but we'll see about that. These large? Yeah, these are large. Oh, Bahneys, what are you doing? Look at what. Yeah. No, these fit fine. These fit just fine. Bahneys ties a bow. You don't tie a bow. This is about silhouette. You let them drop. Boom, drop. You let them. That's why it's called the drop crotch. Of course, Bahneys isn't allowed to call it a drop crotch. They call it drop rise, but we all know what it is. They ain't fooling no damn buddy. No, I want something. I want a starker contrast. Where's my black shirt? Whoop. There we go. There's my black Drkshdw shirt. Let's pop that sumbitch on. We doing Big Rick. We doing Big Rick here. Now, what do I put on with this? One thing that you can tell that these are a little big is that they are feeling like they're going to come off my waist. But then again, the Drkshdw sweatpants did the same thing. This is pretty wicked cool. Let me put on some big old Rick boots. That's crop pant approved footwear. Big ass Rick boots. And of course, as anyone who regularly watches my channel knows I joined Creeper Gang in at the end of November or the beginning of December. It's all a blur. I joined Creeper Gang. What am I gonna put on with this? I'm gonna put on my Sith hoodie. Not the medium hoodie. This is the medium hoodie. The medium hoodie is more deployed with the leather jacket. The Sith hoodie goes by itself, and that's going to become more important as it becomes more of a... I wish they had not lost my goddamn hat, because that hat really... tied a number of my outfits together. But let's see what we got. Let's, so we got crop pants, we got Sith hoodie, and we got creeper boots. Boom. We're doing Big Rick. All right, that was kind of a short unboxing.